In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Please Donate here in Roblox. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. If you don't know what this game is, and I'm sure you do if you are watching this video, it's a game that lets you donate Robux to other players and also receive Robux donations for yourself, even if you don't already have Robux. So let's go over exactly how it works. Load into the game. And if you want to donate to someone, for example, this person right here, you'd simply walk up to their stand, go ahead and select on whatever you want to pay for. After you select it, you'd simply just go ahead and hit buy, just like so, and then hit OK. And as you can see, I've now donated 1 Robux to them. To actually receive donations, you'll need to claim a stand. So walk up to any unclaimed stand, go ahead and interact with it. And as you can see, you're going to have a whole bunch of passes on here. Now, you may not have any passes on here. If you don't, we're going to get to that in just a second. But to customize your stand, just walk back up to it, hit E to edit it. And from here, you can go ahead and change so much stuff on here. Like you can create all these custom booths. You can go ahead and edit the text font, the text color, and so much more. There's a lot of stuff that you can actually do on here. Once you're happy, close out of that editor and your stand will update. But to actually add donation buttons like I have right here, what you're going to want to do is actually just back out of the game fully and open up a web browser and go to roblox.com/home, sign into your account, and then hit create up at the very top, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Find your public place on here and go ahead and open it up, and just keep in mind it does need to be public in order for this to work. But just scroll in this left sidebar until you see the monetization tab. Once you see this monetization tab, select passes, and then from here go ahead and hit create a pass. Name your pass whatever you want. You can even add a description if you would like, and then hit create pass. And then from here, back out and go down till you see that pass and open it up. This is completely free to do, by the way. Once you do have this set up, you're going to see this left-hand sidebar again. Select sales this time and list the item for sale. Put the default price in here and then enable regional pricing as well. Just keep in mind, Roblox is going to take a percentage of this. It's a 30% tax, meaning if you have your default price set to 10, Roblox is going to take 3, and then of course you'll receive 70%, meaning you'll get 7. Whenever it's set up the way you want, hit save changes just like so, and then you can actually just close out of this and then reopen up Please Donate, and then just re-interact with any of those stands. For example, this one again. And when I interact with this, you'll see that updated pass right here with that price. Now, any Robux that you receive will be pending, meaning you're not going to get them instantly. After some time, it will move into your balance once Roblox does process it. The wait time can vary, so just be patient. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.